Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zshakira and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wrap my hair and keep my flat iron going for a long time. It's a question that I've gotten over the years and many people have asked me, so today I just felt like I'm going to just share my little secret. Not so much a secret, a lot of people do this, but definitely wanted to show you guys how I do it. So if you want to see how I go from here to here, then keep on watching. For your love. Okay, so today I'm doing something a little different on my channel. I wanted to share with you guys the way that I take care of my flat iron. Over the years, I've consistently gotten the same question. Whenever my hair is flat iron, they're like, oh my God, how did you get it so straight? Or it's consistently so straight, or how do you wrap it at night? Most people who do wrap their hair ask how I wrap it. So I kind of just wanted to go ahead and show how I do that today. So this right here is pretty much what I do to my hair at night whenever my hair is flat ironed. And this is how my husband sees me in the morning in all my glory. I'm like, hey bang! And this technique that I'm going to show is not just for one race. Honestly, if you naturally have straight hair, let's say you're white, let's say you're Asian, it doesn't matter because everyone gets bedhead, okay? If you do your own hair or if you go to the salon and your hair is nice and straight, everything's done good. When you go to sleep at night, you sleep on your hair, it's ruffled, you get bends in it, like everything gets just crazy, and you wake up in the morning and everything that you just paid for the day before is ruined. I'll show you back. You guys can see it's all tucked in. When it's like this, you pretty much can just sleep however the heck you want to. You don't have to worry about your hair messing up because it's all tucked in and it's staying in place. Whether you just want to keep your straight hair straight in the morning so you don't have bedhead, or whether you did go get like a flat iron and you want to keep it going, this is something that you can do, and I just want to show you guys the technique. So this has been like this all night. This is all I have to do when I'm getting ready to leave. I put on my makeup, right, and I just comb my hair down. So let's take this down, and I am going to show you guys how to put this back up. So there is a rag, and then there's a stocking cap, okay? So I'm gonna take the stocking cap off as well. Here's my hair starting to come down. And then I have a comb with something straight on the end. I basically take it and I start to pull this down. Come in the front, pull it down. I take the tip and I just go down, 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 all around, all around. Then I start to comb, and you kind of look like Cousin It for a second. And that's kind of what you want to do. Comb it all down like Cousin It, all around your face. And then in the front, I do my part. And as you can see, it is bone straight and it just falls into place. There's a natural bend that happens, if you guys can see that natural curve right here. This natural curve happens at night while it's on your head. So your head has a lot of heat, and it's almost like a nice little incubator almost when you wrap your hair at night, and your hair is kind of molding, remolding whenever it's in there. It's just kind of heating and warming and getting that natural form on your head. That's pretty much all I have to do in the morning. Like, my hair is pretty much ready to go. When I wake up in the morning, my hair is already like together. It's not all crazy. Let me show you guys the back. Like, it's very together. And yeah, so it's honestly the best thing to do to your hair if you want to keep the style of a flat iron. You could keep this going for you could go a good week, almost maybe even a week and a half. But I mean, most people, you probably should wash your hair at least once a week. But as long as you're wrapping your hair at night, this is pretty much how your hair is going to come out. Now I'm going to show you how to wrap your hair up, okay? So it's the end of the day, you're going to bed, and now it's time to wrap your hair so we can do this all over again. So take that same comb, the style with the little tail on the end. What you're going to do is at the very top and crown of your head, you're going to create a part that is going straight across. So you're going to create a part. You're going to comb everything down from that part in front of your face. If you watch Addams Family, everybody knows who Cousin It is. You want to make a Cousin It type of situation. So you comb your hair all around. So you just have a little part right there. Now where that part is, you're basically going to take one hand and you're going to put it on top of that. Then you're going to start in the very top and front and start combing your hair slowly to one side. As you comb, you want to comb underneath your hand here and hold it. And you want to keep going around the back. When you come around the back, maybe lift your hand up for a second so you can grab that. And this takes practice. And you want to keep going around, grab it, keep going around, grab it, keep going around, grab it. My hair's trained, so it's going in pretty easy, but this is just something that'll take time. But your hair will train. You just keep going around, grabbing it, combing it, grabbing it, combing it, grabbing it, combing it, and grabbing it, okay? So don't get frustrated when it falls, because it does fall. Like this, honestly, is like, this is years. Like my hair staying like this is like, this is even epic right here. But when you first do it, especially when your hair is first done, it's not gonna stay. But you'll get used to it. If you want another option while you're in the midst of trying to get it to go this way, like say your hair is very fine or very loose, what you can do is you can grab little clips, and then as you comb, you can put a clip in. So the clip holds it, and then go from the side of the clip and then do another clip. Keep combing, you know what I mean? You can do that. Now, the next thing is you want to have a stocking cap. You can get this at any beauty supply store. It's basically just something like that. Looks like this. You're gonna put over your head, and you're gonna go at the top and try to sneak it over the whole entire thing. And this is what I like to do. I like to give it a little bit of a twist once I get everything in there. Pull it down on the back. Alright, so I've got it all in there. You can kind of tuck your little, if your baby hairs are coming out, you can tuck your little baby hairs, just kind of swipe them. But what I like to do is once I get the cap on, I take my whole entire, like I put my hand in the back like this and in front, and I kind of give it a little twist, just a slight twist, just to make sure everything in there kind of is going the same way. So this is that step. Now at this step, if you have put clips in to hold it, now come and take those clips out. Don't leave the clips in your hair, because what'll happen is you'll wake up in the morning and your hair will be dented from those clips. Because remember, this style is actually styling your hair. It's styling your hair overnight. So you don't want to have any bends in there. Even if you do this and you can feel like, hold on, something's going a certain way, something's going different, take it down and rewrap it, because this is essentially your styling right here. This is it. So make sure this is nice and smooth. You don't want any hair going any different way. You don't want any clips or anything like that. Take those clips out. And then lastly, take any kind of wrap or rag, and you're gonna take it and you're gonna fold it in a triangle. Okay? This is all I've done. You can see it this way. This long top part here is going to go in the back of your head. So you're going to lean forward and you're going to slide that right back, and you should have these two on front, and the little top should be there, just like that. So you should have these two in your hand, and now you're going to bring them forward together, And this little loose part that's up here, you're gonna bring that underneath and just give that a little tug so that you know it's here. Because when you do your first tie, you wanna tie this little part together, just like that, and give it one more tug, and that's gonna give you that tight feel. Now, the one in the middle, now you're gonna bend it this way, okay? Bend it back, and now do another tie with these two. Now you take all your little ends, and you're gonna tuck them in the sides. These little sides that kind of are poking up, tuck those ends away on either side or both sides, but you're gonna tuck those sides away. And you're pretty much all set. Now you're ready to go to sleep. Your hair is nice and tight. You won't have bedhead in the morning. You're gonna have a nice natural bend. It's like the easiest thing to do, and your hair is protected while you sleep. You will have less breakage, just less everything. Like honestly, I think this is a huge reason as to why my hair is very healthy and the ends look good. I'm actually bad about getting my hair trimmed. I actually don't keep my hair trimmed as much as I should, but I do know that I do this to protect my hair at night, and it really helps me. So this is something that I've done for years. Honestly, I'm hoping you guys try it. Most of you that I know, a lot of my friends and family members, they know about this, but just anyone else out there who, if you have a flat iron and you just have not been able to really rock that flat iron for a long time, this is something you can do. And one more time, just taking it down just to show how smooth it really comes out. It's just such an amazing look. Alrighty, so that is my quick little tutorial on how I wrap my hair. This is a great thing to do if you have a flat iron, you have straight hair, and you just want to keep that style going for a long time. I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys are enjoying your week, and I hope you're going to have an amazing weekend. And always, always, always find your frequency and feel good.
Savannah.